Oppo has announced a new phone in the higher economic price category, which is the Oppo A60 4G. God willing, we will learn about all the specifications, the contents of the box and the price. Follow the video until the end and support us with admiration. Let's get to the details. Welcome back to Mobile World. I'll start with the release date of Oppo A60. The phone was released in April of this year 2024. The phone supports fingerprint, on the mobile side, face unlock, Android 14 with Color OS 14 interface. Weight, 168 grams. Thickness 7.7 millimeters. IP54 rated dust and light mist resistant. Colors: blue, purple. Key specifications: RAM, 8 GB. Internal memory, 128 GB or 256 GB. It supports the addition of an external micro SD memory card. Cameras: front camera or selfie camera. It has a resolution of 8 MP with a 2.0 aperture and supports HDR in shooting videos in full HD resolution at a resolution of 1080 pixels with a capture rate of 30 frames per second. As for the dual-lens rear camera with LED flash, the first lens is 50 MP with 1.8 aperture. The second lens is 2 MP with an aperture of 2.4, a depth sensor for the isolation function. The rear cameras support HDR, panorama and 1080p Full HD video shooting with a capture rate of 30 frames per second. Screen: 6.6-inch IPS LCD, HU+ quality with a refresh rate of 90 Hz and a pixel density of 264 pixels per inch. Battery: 5000 mAh with 45 watts fast wired charging. Charges approximately 50% of the battery capacity in 30 minutes. Processor: Snapdragon 680 4th generation, octa-core with 6 nanometers manufacturing technology. The graphics processor or the Adreno 610 graphics card. The contents of the phone box: phone charger head, USB cable pod, SIM card slot, opening pin, quick use guide, warranty certificate. Priced $220. In the end, if you liked the video, do not skimp on our support. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell if you're watching us from YouTube, but if you're watching us from Facebook, like the video and follow the page. See you in a new video. Goodbye.